spell to recover our love. With your own urine. Many of us still love a person who marked us in the past. It's time to reveal a powerful love spell to take us back to that person we once had with us and for some reason or another we lost it. Spell for love to return. First, we warn you that in carrying out this spell you have to have all the faith and do not doubt the effectiveness of the materials that we are going to use. Materials to use in the spell. 1. Glass bottle. 2. Paper and pencil. 3. Sugar. 4. Your own urine. Once we have everything we asked for above, we will begin with the preparation of the spell. 1. First, we have to write the person's full name on paper. Then we rolled it and put it inside the bottle. 2. Now we have to urinate inside the bottle, preferably it has to be the first urine of the day, since it is the one that has the most strength and energy. 3. Then we put 4 tablespoons of sugar and 6 of honey. 4. Now we close the bottle with great force so that no one can open it. 5. Now we have to find a very important place to hide it, and something that worked for me was to bury it in a place outside the city, where people cannot find it or open it, because if someone opens the bottle the spell will lose all its charm. Important. The spell begins to take force from the 4th day, and remember the tip we always give you in all love spells: we always do prayers to attract love, make them heart and faith, and we assure you that in a few days you will have to be